Now the island that's in the middle of the road sticks out in front of us completely as it's forcing us to start to go round towards the left. I had to take control of the wheel at this point. Now my Wish does this roundabout really well, but let's look at how the lorry in front of us is taking the turn. You can see they're unable to stay in that middle lane correctly, so if you're ever close to a lorry, especially on a turn or on a roundabout like this, be really mindful. My Wish is checking her mirrors as she's spiraling and gets into the left-hand lane on approach to her exit. As you can see, she has been alert of her surroundings at all times.
Take the exit.